In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cinematic title animation in Canva, a fantastic tool for all your graphic and video needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva offers user-friendly options to create eye-catching animated titles for your projects. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to Canva's website. If you already have an account, that's great. If not, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, click on Log In to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll see a Continue button. Click this to proceed. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one associated with your Canva subscriptions. Afterward, you'll see another Continue option, confirming that you're signed into the right account. Now that you're on the Canva home screen, it's time to start with your project. You can select an existing project if you have one, or you can create a new design. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a new one. You're going to start by searching for a cinematic intro animation template. Canva has a rich database of templates, which makes your job a lot easier. While you can start from scratch, using a template saves time and provides a solid foundation. Once you've located a suitable template, select the design you want. You might see several options, so pick one that fits the style and mood of your video. After selecting your design, it's always a good idea to play the template to preview the animation. This way you can decide whether the default animations meet your expectations or require adjustments. Remember, these templates come with their own animations, so your main task will be to edit the text and media to align with your project. Next, it's time to edit the text. Click on the text area within the template to start customizing. You'll see an editing bar where you can change the font, size, color, and more, so make sure the text fits your overall theme. If you want to experiment with different styles, click on the Nature section to explore various effects that can enhance your animation's appeal. After you're satisfied with the text edits, consider what title best suits your project. You can click and edit the title text directly within the template. If the existing video clip within the template doesn't quite match your vision, you can replace it with one of your own. Simply click on the video area and upload or select a different clip from Canva or your files. And there you have it, you've just created a cinematic title animation using Canva. Take a moment to sit back and preview your work. It's always rewarding to see your creativity come to life with smooth transitions and accurately placed text. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating professional-looking animations for your videos. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!